Today is another day. Not really, it's all the same day for me. Sun and Moon, 2 packs, Decidueye, Solgaleo, let's go. I don't know why my camera keeps moving. Or maybe I can just move these aside. There we go. No need to move it. Making y'all disoriented for no reason. I hope y'all can hear me okay. That AC is loud. I don't know if you can hear it. I know my camera can pick up everything, which is both good and bad. Sometimes I can hear running water 2 miles away. Alright. We have that Alolan Meow, Pepek. Oh, poor Eevee, he looks so special. Psyduck, Spearow, Pepper, Ultra Ball, Corsola. Our reverse is a Paris, again a very special boy, and a non-hollow Masquerain. That's okay. But really though, that Eevee, his poor head, man, I remember when they got the hollow version of that, I was just like, oh, why'd y'all have to do it to that card? Y'all couldn't have used better artwork. It was hilarious. But mostly sad. Sorry that took a minute. I was looking at the H and the N. It's all printed weird. Ooh, something special maybe. 1, 2, 3. Energy. Berry. Alright. Togedemaru. Carvana. Pepek. Sandile. Snubble. Ultra Ball. Corsola. Double colorless energy. I love that. I will keep that with me. Lily and a Tauros GX. Very pretty. It's doing itself a pretty right now. Oh yeah. Sorry if I don't sound excited. I really am. I'm just a little tired. Pulls. Not bad. Much better than the last pack opening. Definitely. And I like Tauros. Originally from, I was gonna say base set, but in the original anime. Yes. Beautiful. I will see you on the next one. Peace.